All right, what is up, y'all? We are here to bring you a very important Bitcoin update. Me and Messin have noticed something very interesting with the technicals, so we kind of want to run through some possibilities with Bitcoin in terms of what's happening in the near future here. So, what's up, man?
How's it going, man?
Yo, so I mentioned this to you. I think Bitcoin is looking very interesting right now. It seems to be breaking out bullishly here, making a higher high, and it's currently maintaining above our EMAs on these on the hourly chart. So,
No, 100%. I think
yeah.
we got to a very critical level right now, and it's very important. I think there's a couple of price targets here that we can aim for and try to at least keep in mind. But before we even get there, if you haven't, if you're new to the channel, make sure you comment, like, subscribe. We share daily news about all these price targets with Bitcoin, all the altcoin markets. So you should be a part of that. So it's a very good place to share information and knowledge. So make sure you just hit the subscribe button. But anyways,
Yeah, no,
I
definitely.
think
Yeah. Go ahead.
yeah, no, I think yeah, you're right. The fact that we just so basically, if you want to explain to them how initially we thought that if Bitcoin doesn't make a higher low, then we're extremely bearish,
Oh
but it
yeah.
looked like it did.
Yeah, yeah. And so look, so Bitcoin got rejected off 20K, and so everyone's afraid that we're dumping to God knows where for good reason. But if we look at here, there's a few patterns that I think are that make a lot of sense. Really, we're kind of in an ascending triangle here where the 20K, anywhere from like the 19.6 to the 20K is really acting as resistance here. So, this is kind of like the most the pattern that we make that kind of makes the most sense for the moment. I mean, we could see here this bottom, this bottom, this bottom here. It all lines up. The 20K in the mid 19,000s is very clear resistance as well here. So the thing that we really need to look out for here is this more micro descending triangle. We're very clearly pumping, and we're going to test this horizontal resistance here, the slanted resistance. And if we can break above that, man, that's good news.
Oh yeah, because I think right now it's all about elimination of like possibilities and scenarios. So the first thing we can look at right now, if we are in this triangle, which you have a 30 triangles here, but if we, for example, this first triangle you have in the middle, it's an ascending triangle. If we don't, yeah, exactly that. So if we don't break above this slanted line that you have up top, which we've in the micro, yeah, exactly. So if we don't break above that, then we might be looking at more of a descending triangle situation, and it just might keep just going down, up and down until we reach the apex on the side. But let's say, assuming we break above that, so if we break above that, then we're forming a like if you want to lead that line, yeah, that red line in the middle just to show, yeah, exactly. Then we'll have this, rising wedge situation or ascending triangle that. So if you break above that line, then this is the actual formation we're going to be in, and that's typically very bullish.
Oh
So
yeah.
it literally depends on this line that you just mentioned.
Yeah, and so guys, we're still in a downtrend here. Okay, we're not here to say that we're going to the moon guaranteed tomorrow right now. That's not what we're saying. What we are saying is that we're seeing interesting signs. We're breaking above our EMAs on the 4 hour. MACD on the 4 hour has room to go up. RSI on the 4 hour has room to go up. So this is very interesting price action. The fact that we found support directly within the boundaries of this macro ascending triangle, found support on our 200 EMA on the 4 hour, and now we're breaking above our 200 EMAs, making a higher high, and tackling these other resistance levels is a very interesting move for Bitcoin. So this doesn't guarantee that we're going to see continuation of this uptrend, but it's very interesting. And yeah, if we do break out, guys, that's a big deal. It's a big deal not only for Bitcoin but for the rest of the cryptocurrency space.
Definitely.
Yeah.
So stay tuned. Join our Discord group. There's to see daily updates, and even we put out videos sometimes by the hour whenever there's anything critical important for you to know about. And honestly, isn't a lot of hype on the channel. We don't just talk about things that are. There's a lot of speculations behind it. We actually do our own research just so you don't have to filter through all the fake news,
Yeah,
basically. So.
exactly. Yeah,
Uh,
guys, we bring you all the interesting stuff. I've been talking about this Bitcoin movement in our Discord. So, guys, check out our Discord. We talk, just general crypto stuff and interesting, news and trades as well. Guys, if you're interested in trading these markets, we've fallen in love with Bybit. It's such an amazing, easy to use exchange. If you guys want to use an intuitive platform to trade these markets, I invite you to check out Bybit. Link for that down in the description below. As well, we should just mention like the ledgers, guys. Ledger is one of the safest way to store your cryptocurrency. There's plenty of free ways to do so, but if you want to buy a ledger, there's a link down in the description, $25 voucher. As well, Token Metrics, guys. It's very powerful AI fueled price predictions and portfolio suggestions. Link for that down in the description as well. You can do a paid trial. It is on the pricier side, but if you can spare it, we recommend it. Yeah.
Damn, did you memorize this?
Bro,
Wow.
I know, yo. It's just, man. I just talk about this shit so often. It's so funny how
Wow.
I'm sounding like a YouTuber now, man. It's cringy.
You definitely do sound
It's
very cringy.
horrible.
But
Oh, it's
anyways,
the
okay.
worst. But
Cut the video before they start unsubscribing, man.
guys, like, subscribe, comment, share, and hit that bell icon to be notified of new uploads. Save us from becoming YouTubers. All right.